Listening to the affirmations and meditations in this channel will have a lasting effect in your life. Over the years of doing this work, people tell me that they experience nothing short of an identity shift. Some begin to feel a divine presence in their lives. If all you want is to attract money this week, these affirmations will work for you. Many of you, however, are looking for something way deeper. You want to manifest yourself. You want to develop personal insight and a more holistic, intentional living. If you're here, it is because you're ready for the deliberate creation through the power of intention of an adult contemporary awesome life. Yes, intention is everything. And you have set your intention to create the true I am presence because you give yourself permission to succeed. You give yourself permission to succeed. There's some serious science to back you up, like the law of attraction, the law of allowing. The life you can create when you set in motion your intention power, when you set an intention to reach your self-actualization, to align yourself with the universe, is exceptional. On this channel, you will find some rockstar affirmations and meditation for exceptional living. Use this for brainwashing yourself. Develop a spiritual practice. Set smart goals. Build your vision board. Develop that naturalistic intelligence that amounts to basic instructions before leaving Earth. Give yourself permission to love yourself, because self-love is not selfish. Together, we will find spiritual growth, listen to divine message from within, just as many highly evolved before us who practiced mysticism and studied metaphysics. Have you ever wondered what the meaning of conscience is? Have you heard of the mirror meditation? Have you heard that the ego is the enemy, the obstacle is the way? Sufism? Theology? You may recognize the Socratic method of questioning as a pathway to self-awareness. You can read spirituality books for beginners, but we must change our core beliefs, our energy field through self-inquiry, contribution to others, and above all, desiring God. Stillness is the key to enlightenment. Enlightenment is the best behavioral medicine. It is how you find healing. So come with us. Enjoy the affirmations and meditations on this channel and share them with those you love. The best way for you to enjoy these meditations and affirmations is in a relaxed position with your eyes closed. I do suggest you wear headphones, both for privacy, for immersion in the experience, but also because in some meditations we're going to be using binaural beats, which cause your brain to absorb the suggestions much more deeply for a much better lasting effect. All you have to do is close your eyes, relax, and enjoy the ride. These programs have been prepared with lots of love, with the intention that your life becomes everything you've ever dreamed it can be. And now, enjoy the program.